Hello everyone, this is Rizwan from Ridz Creations, and today we are working on a splash screen for both Android and iOS applications. So here I am using Flutter Native Splash plugin. By using this plugin, we can create a splash screen for both the Android and iOS applications. So I set the Flutter native splash screen, and after that we click on the public cat, and it successfully uh, download in our package. Now, now I already set the image splash screen image here, and I will create a splash screen by using it. Okay. So here, after that, after that we need to set after that uh, we need to set uh, Flutter native screens. After that, Flutter native plus and not package. Here we will set the color, background color, and after that we will set and after that we will set image aspects uh, and flash underscore screen dot p. Okay. So this is the normal and easy task to create a splash screen for both the mobile application, both mobile like Android and iOS here. And after that, we need to run a single commands. Let me show you the command. First of all, uh, first we need to clean the Flutter here line not allowed. Why? Actually, we need to set this inside. here. And actually, I forgot the space. So here we need to set the space, and after that we need to pop that, and now we will run the. Now we will run the command. So first of all, we need to run the pubget command, and after that we need to run the splash screen command. And this command will generate a splash screens for both Android and iOS applications. So and see, it will be easy to for us to create easy. And now we need to run the on our application so that we can find is it working or not. So let me check. And I don't read anything inside this applications. So it takes some times to execute the commands, and after that it will do the everything. So so guys, I want to repeat the thing so you can understand easily. So first of all, we need to set the plugins here. After that, we need to set this splash Flutter native splash, and here we put the color background color of the splash screens, and what actual image we want to set inside our applications, inside our splash screen. So this splash screen will be used as a splash screen. This image, okay, and these two things after completing these two things, we need to clean the clutter and put a splash screen here. But actually, I want it in a plan, and as per splash screen image. Let me show once on it. This is a very easy way to create a splash screen for our application. So guys, I always use a PubDAP plugins here, and this is the very nice plugins for creating a splash screens. So this is the splash screen showing in our application. So guys, and it is very easy and simple task to create. And there are so many features in this plugin, so we can use all the features and to creating creating a simple and more beautiful splash screen. Okay, so have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye. And I want to say to all you, if you or I hope you are enjoying my videos and my tutorials. Guys, subscribe my channels and share with your friends so that you can learn lots of things about the Flutter, and definitely you will learn a lots of things from my channel. So guys, I hope you enjoying and you will subscribe my channel and enjoy. If you have any query and any questions, you can ask on my comment sections, and I I am always available for you to help you as and I'm still going to create some extra and some important tutorials for you all so that you can learn lots of informations and about the platform. So, but I also want something that if if we got a more subscriber in my channels, I will definitely teach you in a professional way how we actually work in industries and big companies and mostly Googles and big Amazons and like Flipkart. So I will show and I will teach you the way how Googles and big companies works on a Flutter application. Actually, this is a Google product, so I will teach you how the pattern take and how the Google strategy follow in a project, and in the future you will definitely learn a lot of things, and you will definitely uh, manage the big project if you follow the complete way of Google strategy and pedantic and nowadays lots of plugins and lots of features of coming and like solid architectures, MEVC patterns, and everything, which will give us a power to manage the complete project in the future if we have some anything query and anything we want to update in our application, so we can easily updates and upgrade our application. So guys, I hope you are enjoying my tutorials, and subscribe and share with your friends so that you will learn a lot of for the Flutter applications. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.